Wondering if the NFC on your Galaxy S25 Ultra is working properly, but don't have another device or card to test it with? You don't need one. Let me show you a super easy way to check your NFC using Samsung built-in diagnostic. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Tap phone diagnostic. Here you can see the full list of tests. Tap NFC icon to begin testing. However, if you have tested it before, the icon will have a check mark on it. If you want to test again, tap it, and then tap test again to run checking. The test will complete in just a few seconds. If there's no issue is found, the result will say normal. And just like that, you have tested NFC on your phone. Even if you are not using NFC daily, it's always nice to know it's working, just in case you want to use contactless payment or tap to connect feature later. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.